Nam Lolwe ong'ere gi kit rech mopogore opogore kanyakla kod omena. Kawuono ni e chenro ni mar tedo gi chiemo, wadwa donje nam. Wadwa dhi romo gi jolupo omiwa rech. Rewa ni wadwaro mondo walose ei nam kae ka waluoro gi meli mantiere batha kendie kendo wang'iyo gwenge mopogore opogore e alwora mar Nam Lolwe e dho watha ma Kisumu. Wadhi. Captain Kevin.
Take you through the right.
Okay.
First of all, okay.
Nyaka wa
Chuno.
Ochuno. Ne wajok makia go abal koso.
Case of
An accident. Gimora mora nyatimo to onge gima dhi timore. Okay. Koro adonje naneno ka in gi tiendi nono. Wuoche iweyo?
Wuoche idhi gonyo na kae.
Okay. Ot maler nyaka we wuoche. Jatedo marwa?
Yes.
Oyaore.
Oyaore.
Erokamano.
Very welcome.
Asante.
Wangi wocheka.
Oh, makadong.
Yes.
Sunya.
Okay.
Wacho ni meli kae. Life jackets.
Life jackets and very important. Okwanyal be ride without TV life jacket. Lake ni history of the lake. Sometimes one get accidents more kama. So before what they wabrotimo safety precautions before we leave, and before what they wabroka names te wabroka ID number give phone number because
Natama
yes kama kandege kaidi idondege wakao names, so in case of any issue we know who has been onboarded, one give manifest laws.
Kishaingia unaona tuko na first aid kit, we carry it in case someone get injured while we are on a trip. We can do first aid for him before we reach outside. Then we have a fire extinguisher. It is a powder one, so with powder we can use it on fuel, with it oil or wood.
Okay.
It is applicable everywhere.
Mine very important, what said on the boat, because safety again and very, very important to us. So one give fire extinguisher, one give first aid kit, to one give life jacket. We call that mano trifecta to make sure kawadi wadi most to get any issues at all.
Onge gimoro ka jiko makomach to jiko na make out AP.
Come on.
Okay. Aya sawa
Yes.
Koro waseng'iyo iwacho ni mokwongo nyaka ing'eni to untiere gi weladi e meli kae, welo gi bende nyaka ung'eni to gin ng'a gini, nying gi ID number, next of kin bende bedo?
No, you know that, yes, you know data and something also very sensitive. So, okwanya cow data
Mora.
But as long as one give phone number, give the name, wanyalo in case of any issue, wanyalo even contact if there's need to be, we're able to trace people through phone numbers and names. So, okwa cow data, wadwa kwelo, wadi wa
Mana maringeyo.
Yes.
Mana maringeyo.
Exactly.
Aya sasa, one gi life jackets one gi first aid kit, one gi fire extinguisher. Koro mano captain check wanyalo donjo
Life ring also ntie.
Life ring bende ntiere. Manyiso ni ka wachopo kucho ka ng'ato oseyieng' wanyalo lutore go abal matin to tiyo gi life ring. Aya koro kumochopo wanyalo dhi mondo wakaw rech.
Yes.
All right.
Okay. So what Wadwa Timosani is wase gochone some of the fishermen who went out in the morning. So Okwadwa RECH that has sat over there, Wadwa RECH ma fresh. Wadwa RECH ma fresh. So Wabro Tedo wangi abro me apron by the time work out RECH, abro me apron, abro me gloves. Of course Wabro Timo, you know, hygiene and important Tedo. So Wabro walk our hands and then Wabro Timo some of these steps. So one give gloves as well. So I hope you're ready.
I am ready.
Is it chamo breakfast?
Chai matin
Good.
mar chako godo.
Okay.
To kapok wadhi ahinya ing'eni wabedo excited mor gi kaka wantiere na mang'ango gini ma okiulo nyingi kati nyiso matin ewi ilongo ni longe kasa
Casa ma Casa Dao, but the boat and MV Aora Nalo.
Aora Nalo.
Yes.
Aya, sawa sawa.
Ingeo Aora Nalo means what? The
Aora
river
Nalo.
the river Nile.
Oh,
The river
Aora
Nile.
Nalo.
The river Nile.
Okay.
So botany, what I'll say firstly is
First nyingi.
okay, so Nyinga and Lucky Ogutu Okudo, Anya Sembo, but Wanka Kisumu, and Botany Ka Wanka Iye, and MV Auranalo. So Wami of this boat, that name, because Kinano Historia Majoluo, we were called Joluo Aora. So we dropped the Jo and the Aora. We became the Luo. So ma botany and homage to the Luo people, not only ma Kenya, but also ma Uganda, South Sudan, Ethiopia, Tanzania. So this is what the dedication and ma. So this boat, Ochakre we built this boat in Lamu. So kai di Lamu ibro neno that gingi boats mangeng and then yeah, so evening gi kauga sunset rides. But what one neno is, I said okwanya bi Kisumu to wabi dala, but onge ngato biro p, there's no enjoyment, onge rides, onge activities. So we said wabro change the way wakao this lake and what we can to also boost tourism ma lake ni, not only ma Kisumu. So the hope is not that a kill boat tomorrow, but one give boats in Asembo, one give boats in Homa Bay. Exactly, exactly. So Wachako boat near on 14th of February, 2024. Wakao boat from Lamu, Wadigi P. So what Captain did is, because in Yoga, also this boat is quite unique to this area. So the captain went to Lamu for 1 month to study further how they are operating. So captains gingi their coxswains, gingi that relevant professionalism. Yes, yes, Kamano. So Wasechako 2024 Valentine's Day. So botany engi love mangen engi more hera mangen mano. So
hera ne modwaro tedo godo kawuono.
Wadwa tedo gi hera to we hope kawa tedo ibro biro next time. Ibro biro gi familia, gi friends, wabro tedo ni again.
Emo miyo bende wawacho ni kikidhi adhian tibete dho nam kamoro ing'iyo nam donje nam wuon.
Yes, wadonj. Okay, let's do it.
Koro wadhi wayudre.
Yes. Okay.
Makoro rech wa.
Okay. Oh, wonderful. Fresh. My rech fresh from Nam. So what do I marinate ki? What do I walk gi maber? Was scrub one gigi ka for taking off the scales. This is technology.
No.
We want to one gima. So we're going to do this. So let's put this wabokao rech ni.
Koro wasaidorewa gik modwa tedo te wasekete mesa kendie pokaneno ga rech gi oduma.
Okay.
Combination no.
No, and combination mami tibiro neno. Something very unique.
Okay.
Yes.
Iwacho ni kitede nam to ntie kaka gik moko lokore.
No, gi lokore to ing'eyoga today one gi rech ni, but what do I timo something very different gi rech. Ing'eyoga most of the times joluo. Wakao rech wa fry we deep fry the fish.
Kata waloso ni stew.
Kosa keto stew. To ing'eyoga rech and give very good vitamins. So it's very sweet when one yalo gi a different style. So wadro timo gigi, we have ginika.
What are you kore?
Yes. So what wabro timo sani is because it might be a bit difficult. And then I'll life jacket. So what I do at Timo Kodisani is me a life jacket ni. Can owner of the boat. Well, okay. You'll be fine. Then I do a ketuni, of course, apron. Very important. Yes.
Koro jotedo koro dio jikoni.
Yes. What do I chakosani now? Okay. I think that's okay.
Sawa.
I'm gonna call this one off as well. So first step about Timoka is cleanliness. 1 gig gloves ka. Do I cow 2 gloves? Cow 2 gloves. One ready. So what will chakogi? Marination of the fish. So work out RECH sani. Waketeka. Inyoga RECH heroga ndim for cleanliness and also to make sure onge any bacteria at all. So I brought me this one. You squeeze it on top as well. Wabro remove the seeds afterwards. Wangad moro.
Medo lentado maber.
Yes. Yeah, medo ma.
Alok gi mondo the other side.
Yes.
No se chwergi iwacho ni maingo do cha modern. Chwer.
Yes. Kamano.
Koro okigi pala hinya.
Maybe one more. Exactly.
Nice. Ndimbi yudo ma fresh.
Ma fresh.
Iwacho ni gimoro amora koko wuoke nam to wuoke puodho.
That is the truth. Mano adierka. So now we're setting mokamano. So now what we're going to do is ingiyongado RECH. Wabro keto marination lines. So wabro
wasare.
Yes, wasare sani. So how wasare usually wabro cow RECH like kamano. And we do something like this, okay?
Makoro mondo.
Yes, marination and here, so marination enters very well. Saka unakula, yani unaonja hizo
ndimu iko ndani.
Ndimu iko ndani, tutaweka ingeuga RECH and cooking generally. Kwa too many things. So kai neno even kawa betka okwangi spices mangen. Okwa spices what you gigi natural. 1 gig garlic martin, 1 gig ginger, 1 gig spring onions ka, 1 gig dania martin. 1 gig cube to 1 gig black pepper.
Okay.
So wabro keto marination ni jiko is on now. Wabro keto gigo kanyo.
Wabulo RECH.
Wabulo RECH. Ka wabulo RECH wabro chako ngado plantain.
Okay.
Wakao mahindi ni we prepare the mahindi. What Timo something very unique.
Nice.
So when you keto
marinate kae ena ndimni nchegi maome.
No, so now wase cheko kamano. So now wabro cow garlic ni. So we can get it prepared. So garlic, there we are. Okay. So cow garlic ni
crush it.
So what inyalo konya is inyalo cow pilani. Not much. When you gado maybe this corner of the ginger, then inyalo peel that one as we prepare.
Koromagitema the team negodo marination.
Yes. So here chiemo mane. Generally, what is your favorite food?
Lure, nitiere time nahero gwen kabisa. Kienyeji.
Yes.
Ok broiler.
Kienyeji.
Rech bende, abiro ahero. Yeah, sanya paro ni ane rech, lakini ok markado. Markado paro ni wase chama he. Kaito nitiere challenge bende mar yudo rech maber. Samori gine rech sani kaka nitiere jomoko mapidhe ngini quality ok chal. Koro nitiere some beaches kata nembe moko makur ni rech to iwinjo ka taste opogore. Iwinjo ka nitiere jomoko wacho ni gihero rech akiani moa Kisumu kata akiani moa Usenge, moko moa Gwasi, lure.
Yes.
In Mari favorite ni?
Ahero ga rech mang'eny, you know. Ing'eyo ga wan gi tilapia ka, but wan gi so many fish here. Mbuta, gege, all of them. So style, monye. So style ni you can just style ma one fish. Inyalo keto this style all sorts of fish. So my recipe unique. So I said okay, kamano. So now abro ngado this one a bit. What I want you to do, ibro kauma.
Cake.
Abro reduce black pepper Martin, not too hot. So ibro kauma. Ibro kau cubes gi. Kamano.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Nywaski. This is healthy. Okwadwa, we also want, you know, rech and gain nutrients mang'eny, but ki keto deep fried nutrients go there. Ki keto kichwake mang'eny for 45 minutes nutrients there. So that's why what you kama.
Koromane black pepper cubes.
Yes.
And
Waketo cubes adrio kanyo. One gi ginger ka, one gi garlic, wase minced guinea. So now what wabrotimo is this. I'm going to try my best. I cull some of these seeds. But generally it's not so important because waketo the fish on the fire. So just for the marination purposes, right? So kai setimo kamano, what I want us to do is kill this one here. Wabroketo gika. One gi mafuta Martin.
Tedo?
Yes, Tedo. Wabroketo some oil in here. So I get in the marination. Okay, come on now. Okay, so what's a keto angoka? Let's confirm.
Kae waketo garlic, waketo tangawizi, awantiere gi cubes, mo, then black pepper. Angoma wiyo wilgo.
To wase keto lemon in advance. Usually inyalo keto lemon ka, but wase keto ka. Yes, exactly. So ado angado these chives, waket gika. We start marinating the fish.
Okay. Ma donjo ka.
Okay. Yes. So let me wangad gi. Okay, so I will get to some of this car. Inyalo mix. Yes, inyalo mix ki. So one get a very special tool.
Soy sauce.
Yes, waketo soy sauce Martin kanyo. Yes. So inyalo mix that. One get brush. And brush marination. So kawa Tedo, and by the time waketo rechka, we'll be just coming back to marination ni wabroketo kamano. Yes.
Kikotuo.
Yes, kikotuo.
Okay.
So inyalo now that he say mix mano. Inyalo keto kanyo on top of the fish. So just pour it all over the fish. Yes. Like that. So mano the marination. Yes. Yes. Then now once you've done that, inyalo chako massage the fish. Massage the fish, Martin.
Plus gi konde mawasaro.
Yes, gidonj. Garlic no donj maber, spices give flavor. So ma rech ni and very natural. Ineno onge, I don't know, curry powder, onge gigo tetete. Ma just send soy sauce, mo, ndim, salt, black pepper Martin, gi garlic, gi ginger. Yes.
Odobedo wachoni very juicy.
Very juicy, very tasty. So one gigini sani, mother
Grill?
roast. Yeah, ma grill.
Singenge.
So, singenge. So guinea hen very useful because wabro keto rechka and we just waloke kama. Waloke kama.
And a special one,
yes,
marriage.
and a special one. So just so okwagbi gi issues marriage do stick on it. Wabro cow more. Wabro brush it on it like this.
Okay.
Wakao more. We brush on the top of it like this. Waloke. Exactly, come on. There we are. Wabro chako, let it warm up a bit as we're getting ready. Let the RECH no and give marination maber. We'll be ready for that. Good.
Okay, grills. Kondete koro kati chamo wiye. Before winjo
The taste and the flavor, yes, yes. To asel wako RECH ni mambere ni neno this fish came straight from the water can. Yes. So usually kawa timoga marination, waheroga mere marination about 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
About 10 minutes. Wase timoga about 5 minutes. So ka fish no marinate matin. What wanyalo chako is so
Osema komach grill.
Osema komach. So wadwa keto some of the fish, okay, cannot fit all of it, Sunny. So wabro cow these ones that kise marinate maber. So we wabro cow ma like that. Nya keto kanya. Exactly. Keto kanya. Made man. Exactly. Keto kama
So marinate.
Yes, or marinate Martin. So I will cow some of this marination again. Okay, marination Martin Kamano. Marination Martin Kamano. What about cow guinea? Or about lock it like this now. Inshallah. Okay. So, RECH OBUL. So now, what do I prepare? Plantain. Where we prepare plantain. So I get RECH now to the side. Okay, plantain ka. What check teach my plantain. So, styles mangado plantain gin mangen. But waheroga plantain that's a bit juicy. So kwadwa ngadogi too thin. Wapil gini. Okay.
Plantain inyoma beto se chako chiek.
Yes.
Not too ripe.
Yes, not too ripe because kind ripe mangen more obro soak more mangen. To
Wadwa chiele?
Yes, wadwa chiele. But one gi options moro inyo plantain wanyalo keto grill sani carrot yeah wanyabule wanyaboile chwake. But so I think
but nkech koro wasebulo RECH koro kikwabul plantain.
Yes, kikwabul plantain.
Obed gi different flavors.
Yes. So kind wabro timo design moro kama. Ineno Guinea is a bit wider.
Waloke koso en sawa RECH.
RECH. No RECH and sour for now.
You slice across.
Yes, you slice across. Then kiteko wabro ketogi ka. Ketki ka. So kit inyalo temo Martin. Let me look at what's happening here.
Across kama. En kama.
Yes. Kama no.
Yes. Wacha ni bende odigolo design kotieke.
Yes.
Okay.
So, king out of, abro cow marinade ni, a cow brush kama, iwire Martin kama no. Iwire RECH Martin flavor of the. Now, waseketo marination, okay, the maber. So now what wabe timo wangi RECH ni? And 5 minutes wasebeka.
One side.
One side. So now wabro turn rechi kamano. So
marinate chakendo.
Inyalo temo.
Focus in on
marination and flavoring.
Okay. Kato be kiko tuo.
No, kiko tuo. So in the next 5 minutes, wame ka 5 minutes kama, wabro gologi, wabro ketogi side.
Ko beda kosa iko, right?
Yes. Ingeuga rech okwa that too much heat. Rech cooks very fast because texture and yum. So 10 minutes kama, 7 minutes one side, 7 minutes one side, to gin mathis or gin maduong mang'eny. Of course, depending on size, jo wabro ngeo how long wabro tedogi. So, how is it looking on your side? Ober? Good. Yes.
Fair.
So,
Korwarito o brown matin.
O brown matin. So, wasengado gigo mano kanyo. Wated kachumbari matin kose inenadi.
Wala so kachumbari koso moro mitedo cha sauce.
Sauce. Wated sauce matin.
Sauce matin.
What sauce matin?
Ma wa fry ma be wa grill kuro gin kind of dry.
We need a sauce. Yes. So wabrotimo sauce. Sauce very similar. Wabrotimo lemon butter garlic sauce. Lemon butter garlic sauce. So wabroka plate sani. Wane rech dinari. Okay, maber, good. We go back one side. Kamano. So wabrotimo lemon butter garlic sauce. So that sauce obromia meat kawa chamo rech inyalo dip matin, inyalo keto plantain matin, just something very nice. Okwadwa rech be too dry, yeah? So wabro wiro one more time over here marination. Okay, perfect.
Podo marinate.
Yes, podo marinate. So now brokao yes, wasitikogo. I think that's enough for now. So now wachak wangad a bit of the spring onion and a bit of the dania. So and garlic matin for the lemon butter garlic sauce.
Ko wadi nywa so the garlic.
Yes.
Matin marom nade?
Kama just a bit kama is enough.
Then gi dania be matin.
Yes.
Plus saumu.
Yes, saumu matin. Yes, saumu matin. So kai timo kamano abro medo last marination kai. Kai biro ibro neno the fish. Ka fish is getting ready, ki grill. Ibro neno it starts to cuts waseketogi, they start to open up. That's how wabro ngeoga. Yes, kamano. So ineno these cuts are opening up. So inyal neno the texture of the fish.
So no check nyaka.
Yes, or check. To ing'eyo ng'ado maber.
Atemo. Aseneno but
aneni
nitiere chefs moko. Don't they do like this? I fear for my fingers.
Nilikuwa najaribu in the first time I said I might lose a finger here.
For real. Omit neno.
Omit neno.
Chefs team.
But execution.
So
now wabro send their chill kanyo. Inya konyo gisende. Yes, inyalo keto kanyo. Actually, even what wabro timo is, because we're going straight to the pan. So pan waka Yes. So, paket gigi side. Inyalo kelo plate no. Wakit RECH Martin for a while here. So wabro move RECH here for now. Wabro me just one more touch. Ka it's almost ready. Ka watieko gi. Yes. So Sunny now what wadwa timo is one gi butter, one gi garlic. So wabro chako gi garlic. So ka nyalo ngado garlic no. Wachaki garlic, what toast the garlic. Ingeoga garlic and gimoro ma oheroga being toasted. Kai toast garlic, that's when flavor ma garlic work. Yes. So wasewinjo gini is already heating up. So one gi butter, wabro keto butter Martin. Yes, wabro keto a little bit butter. So ingi inya ngado Martin, just cut
how small
like this.
or corner.
No. Meda Martin, yeah. What
baby generous.
Bed generous Martin. What exactly kama no?
How much garlic? What's your god?
A riogo, but that will be enough for us. Perfect. So inyalo keto garlic no ka. Ero kama no. So what toast garlic ni Martin. Just a bit of garlic. What toast Martin. So wangi lemon achiel and ndimu chill. Wabro keto a bit of ndimu in here. Kase nyisi. Gigi ma flavors natural. Ineno kwa keto anything but natural things here. So Ibro cow try and remove the seeds Martin because okwadwa were confused. Chiemo yeah. Kose garlic kose and seeds no bedo catch Martin.
So there.
Yes, so yes, made kamano.
Injarus mokelo.
Yes. Kamano. Inyoga gini do too much time. So now iseketo ero kamano now ket mwanya keto chives gi, onions gi. Yes, gidania Martin. Yes. And kama kose check like this. Yes. Ma lemon, butter,
cook.
Ma lemon, butter, garlic. So wabro Timo done.
Okay.
Yes.
Our sauce done.
Done. So may I add this one so that when you transfer in your Tedo, sometimes you don't need to have too many. Come on. Because what do I keto plantain Sunny?
To flavor nema bende pod.
Yes, yes, come on. So
smells nice.
Let's give it a smell. Fantastic. Now we proceed to the next stage. Wakit more.
So this is shallow fry, deep fry?
No, shallow fry.
Shallow
Yeah,
fry.
we made just a bit, Martino. Kwadwa deep fry so that it soaks too much. So, wabro rito.
Omaki.
Yes, omaki. So now, inyalo rest Martin.
Okay.
I know itimo teach mangen, so I do I rest Martin. Cause I mean something that I don't mean pea. Cause I want give fresh juice.
Pimo the
yes.
Liet makisumo bende dehydration.
Yes. But you know the good thing about botany, you know, one give shade car. So. Biro ride inya chiemo inya tedo inya relax but ingi shade to ka watieko ka wadhi chiemo abro be kucho wabro bet Martin wa relax
macha koro ka relaxing ka kar tich
yeah kar tich
watiyo ka watieko
wadhi kucho
wadhi wa relax
kamano
angeni sama utimo the boat ride utero ji round ango gene ngeni ji ohero ngeyo ni to kuma koro wantiere ni makanye ang'o matimore aneno swamp kacha cha
Yes.
the community around
Yes, so kawan ka ma extension of Dunga to Milimani. Kineno Kucho and that place, Club Moro. Wadhi wa metho Martin, you know, that kind of activities, right? But Sani, so in Yogo, something very special about Lake Victoria is the fact that wangi some of the world's largest species of birds.
Winy.
Yeah, winy.
Awinjo gi gimabor aneno ka gifuyo.
Gifuyo Martin. So wangi winyo mangen ka. So next time kidwogo abro kelo ni binoculars. To wangi a very special.
Mondo wangegi wamanye kuonde magin.
So wangi wa Sani, we're creating a book, winyo around the lake, right? So Kibero,
ineno sogo.
Exactly, yeah. So sometimes also wakeloga nyithind ma school waterogi around the lake, so ginya neno what happens around here. Yes. So now Moni looks hot. Wabro teste Martin waneka exactly.
Correct.
Perfect.
Shallow frying.
Just shallow fry. So okwaheruga to put too much inside one batch because Gibron's stick Martin, and we don't like that activity. I'd rather just be very relaxed. Okay, to come now. One gi kijiko chika. We'll separate gi Martin. One good. Perfect. Let me see what's happening here. I pray this fish. Let me see. Perfect. Yeah, it's very good. You see? Exactly. You see, let me tell you, RECH ni, Sani, wase gole because what do I get to just 5 minutes more? So we wanted to stay moist, but Sani osicheck. Kidwa bilo enya bilo, but we're rich mundi.
Too late.
Too late, okay. Niswa taste nadi.
Flavor ka.
Flavor.
Nakaka nwacho donje iye.
Yes.
Okay, nene ni any skin mano. Uketa gibilo gini kasani nango. Koro miya miluma. It's very nice.
Very good. So, what take gi plantain gi, one gi sauce wa kanyo.
Yeah.
Inyalo hero wangad kachumbari kose the way aneno meal ni, I think it's okay.
Obeda kama.
Obeda bed kama. So ibro biro ka inyalo turn plantains gi Martin. Wane how they are kama no.
Era roof mar plantain. My mom yoni wacho. Kiko bed too sweet.
Yes.
Because inya kata smell the ripeness.
Yes, exactly. The ripeness.
So we want it crunchy, browned?
We want it, what do I end? Crunchy on the outside, but soft on the inside. Yes. So wabro, by the time you take wabro keto gika, so at least more drains a bit. Yes, so drain Martin. So wabro keto, no? Like that. Come on. Let me see what's happening here. Wabro bilo Martin, I see also. Product ma teacher.
Chalonare.
Of course, Enan. Of course.
Well.
Kama mama na neno gini obronyisa. Well done. Okay, but you know, mama na heroga Tedo. So for me personally, even Karen passion. Even Karen when we were very small, tulikuwa naenda jikoni. By the time nilikuwa na miaka 10 na anza kupika maybe noodles, ichakogi noodles. Then ikao ringo, ingado ringo Martin, itimo nyama fry. Then next ichakogi RECH. Then idigi gweno, heroga broiler gweno. No, kienyeji. So that's how cooking bigger. You start somewhere to for me cooking and passion na mangeny. I eroga cooking even kawadhi anywhere. I'll be the first one I say abro Tedo because
you know okinwendo iketo tendi malo waiting to be served.
No, because a dear my dear Anisi. Idi hot moro chimok meat, so you are forced to be the volunteer. You be the volunteer so that ibro enjoy chiemo no maber.
Ingenia ite konde moko midhiye ma osenge. Ngane chapat.
Yes.
You'll get perfect chapatis kuome. Ngane wangeyo gweno wawene. So and so jadwal kuon.
Yes.
Then the rest koro joluok sende gi UMS ETCs. Koro in favorite ni were gi mihero chamo mihero tedo ma milongo go nyingi ni what dwaro chef
grills
any
grills angeo grill because angeo marination my kind RECH kind gweno kind seafood prawns gigo tetete kai dwa wanyadhi Lamu ated ni crabs gi lobster gi RECH ma nam kucho trust me sea fish so I grills gi to that's what I mainly but if I don't want to lie, I will go to my sister now, Bronyisi, pasta, spaghettis. I Tedo spaghettis and pastas very well. Gigi my Italian, Gigi my Italian, angeoga maber. So the way I'm looking at that plantain, no di maber.
Anyagole, kosami a bit
more.
We're
just a bit more. We're just a bit more.
But the browns gi?
No, that's okay. So now abro neneka just to see. You see, what I was telling you is waketo mono because onge sticking kama ineno.
Oko stick.
So
piene okdonge.
Yes, exactly. Yes. So nice. Waneno very good. That's very good.
Nice.
Perfect. Yes, we made mokogo. Then Kaya, by the time you take with those ones, now what I do our team, what change our gloves because gloves now we've done with wase mako raw food. Token healthy to continue. So wabro change gloves gi. Yes, kitieko kamano.
Jiko lingere matin, but I'll do that. Okay.
So we say tieko kamano. That is proceeding.
Okay.
Now yes, we'll lock gloves ni because that was raw. We have to get ready. What do chiemo? There's nothing else we're preparing. Onge anything else we're preparing. Kasonya kitu dustbin. Now adwa bed matin.
Kora bedwendo.
Bedwendo. Ingi pika. Angi juice moro Tedo juice. Zita Tedo kosea. Aloso juice moro ka. Juice ma apple. Gi ginger. Ingeoga ginger and ginger and good for the digestive system. Okay, to that and a cleanser of the digestive system. But also beyond that, ginger and bear with the lungs and the clearing. You know, in your sunny Kenya, El Nino Biro, so we have to prepare. So look out juice naka.
Mono blended.
Yes, ma blended, very fresh. Ma apple gidol wo enango.
Apple.
An apple. Ginger and ginger. Tangawiz.
Ginger and tangawiz.
Tangawiz. Okay. So.
What after Angie?
And
cheers.
Ongich. Cheers.
Cheers. It is very refreshing.
Very refreshing.
Chwad
marinating the mouth to clearing the taste buds before wachema bell. Yes. Wow. So I hope in get appetite because my first course.
You don't need to ask.
My first course. What is second course?
What's your second course?
Second course, my just a biting, and then third course and a bit.
Odumacha.
Yes, Oduma. What do I tell you? A very special Oduma mix here. Yes.
Okay.
New
You
recipe.
actually a bit surprised.
Yes, a bit surprising. Yoga Tedo. Okinyal miyo ngato your recipe, but today. In guy exclusive access ka, but kicking is not more please. Gigi ma secrets gi work a Lego boot assemble. Boot assemble. So these are very special secrets. So now Kaneno plantain. Yes.
You know the song about Nyasembo, Nyasiaya.
No, but in yoga it's very obvious. When you listen to most of these Luo songs. Every time, Nyasembo, because one give the best. Nyisembo give the best. Yes. Shout out to all Nyisembo girls. Yes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Toinya kanya.
Ananya Homa Bay County Karachuonyo. Kalampacho. Kadel City.
Wow.
Kadel Original.
Wow.
Aya lawyer.
Okay. Togamana and
Madam.
Manober, that's good. Manober, that's very good. So, at our bill, let's see how this plantain is. One give a chelka, kineno and soft inside, but with some texture.
Not yet. Nice. Bela, what is this? You want any crunchy yoko? Umudoreka umbali. So, Carmondo, what is that? One girech.
Inyalo cow, plantain girech. To also
just say more there was an argument. Ngato no Tedo RECH, to chamo gi mchele. And like abomination.
Aye.
Ite mo RECH nade. RECH chamo gi kuon.
But you know, different cultures gingi different approaches gi chiemo. Kinyiso ngato Europe sani that wakao RECH to wachwako. Hey, gibro niso what?
Mamma mia.
Because gineno RECH and gimoro ma just grilling. Niketo oven, inyalo timo a bit of shallow fry or saute, not even shallow fry, saute, or you bake. So cultures game different or game manyan. So what Wadwa Timo is, you know, we explore different cultures. That's what we're doing here. We explore different cultures, but we also people be able to see that RECH is not just made one way. Yeah. So
the different ways. Jawera lene watch no man bacha Jackie Akinyi. Jackie Akinyi no wachoni Tedo pogore.
Yes.
Jomoko bule, jomoko lie, jomoko lose kado, but end product. But gima benda wacho ga chendo ni matedo gi chiemo. What time gik manyien?
Yes.
Okrach. Mondo ibed miyo ji variety. Mana kaka wawacho kik bed ni ong'e pile. Ken chapat to chapat go ganda, chapat go layo. Done, finished.
Yes. Done. Finished. No.
So, RECH say kore.
Okay. So
say kore.
Okay. So abro keto gika. Ket RECH ka. Na ket kanya. Perfect. Manober. So now wakao gigi like this. Perfection. Abro cow. Edwa chamamano. Which one do you like here?
This one.
That one looks good. Cow mano, please. Perfect. Okay, ni plantain moro. No, what do I get to give design? What more design come on, and then for me a bit of this our sauce we made here, my lemon butter.
So sauce there we RECH.
Yes. And now put just a bit in yoga, just like a little bit of drizzle, come on. And then when you keto, just on
the side.
Yeah. My design.
Okay.
Yes. So it's okay to
okay.
Wow. Like that. Cow sauce ni masin.
kaka ne wawacho ni from farm to the table. Kawuono wagole nam to wakete mesa, watede nam, wachame nam, gimoro mora watimo ge nam kendi. We wawinje to chal nade.
Yeah, kode. Omit.
Obviously.
Ma group effort. What was this thing?
Combined.
So, combined effort.
Awadi maber.
So next time, as I said, you have to the same marination with all fish. Inyalo ngado fillet, inyalo chieme kama.
Gweno be can do this.
No, gweno as well. Gweno. Kiketo but inyoga gweno, what it is with marination. Oheroga more time to marinate.
Oh, okay, RECH.
So that the flavors give the inside completely. Yes.
Joma the hair barbiro, get the envy or analo, gitimonango. So
in Yoga, one fortunate, Governor Makisumu County, Osebioka, gi First Lady Makisumu County. Kinyi Sadir, the person who Agahero Obika, Osea Jacom, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. I really wanted him to come here, but Sani, unge ngato specific. In fact, if ngato enjo Kisumu te, Jodala from Homa Bay, Migori, Siaya, Kenya te. Ma boat, yes, my experience my experience all Kenyans of all walks of life. Adwab gibi kai, auranalo, ginyalo go chonwa, wangi social media tag, ginyal neno, the kind of fun activities what nuka. But what do I do? Kikidi, yes.
Ntire namba masimu kata social media you do.
Yes, so
prior booking.
Yes, so I had prior booking because inyoga botany and madwong, so what do we prepare it very well. So I had prior booking, iketoga deposit of just 10%, 20%. Ibiro, inyalo kelo drinks ni, inyalo kelo chiemo ni, inyalo gochon wawa, watedi ni chiemo ka, wanyalo kao chiemo moro somewhere else. And very free, botany and experience. What do people to enjoy? Tomorrow, a lot of the time, one give meetings also. One give board meetings, gibiro, one give board meetings. So botany is open to all. What do everybody come? Magical Kenya Gise feature us. So Kaidwa Yudowa, it is Instagram at Aora Nalo, AORANALO. Kidwa Yudowa Facebook. Auranalo. Twitter, X Auranalo. But Kwadwa Gochonwa 0769 400,000.
Ah,
yeah.
Okay.
Yacht.
Aya, yacht kabisa.
Yacht kabisa. 0769 400,000. Yes.
Tomano koritimo booking mari kendo inyalo yudo boat ride makami.
Yes, inyalo yudo boat ride. Kaidwa the boat ride ma 45 minutes, koseidwa boat ride for 1 hour and a half. Watimo gite. Idwa neno Kisumu. To also asenyi see that once a month wadiga Ndere Island, Gimaboko Island, wadigi different people, one gi DJ car, one gi excitement.
Uloke koro,
yes.
Kandanji.
And then kain kotieno, one gi solar lights waketoga then inyalo enjoy. But before here, adwa nyisi gimoro. Kukano wase Tedo kodoka. Mano clean energy. Botany and boat clean energy. So one proud to be associated with that. Wadwa timo more of this and please, Erokamano. Thank you so much.
Erokamano for a beautiful ride, a beautiful alungeni home. Tumaduong kabisa and chiemo mamit mabende.
Yes.
Iloso nwa kendie. Kopogore gi puonjruok weche mag tedo wopuonjre mathoth ewi nam kato bende kaka koro irwako jopiny kamoro amora ma gintiere gibende ginyalo chopo kae.
Yes.
Aya ando koro anyalo lore mondo ntiere ngini wi rech ntie tia kaka ichamo sani nyato ngi wacho ni baby girl
girl.
To sami dil gi wi rech ma iywayo tongo wang'e cha
You are a sweetie. You are a sweetie.
Wagori tine jomoko.
Yes.
Mondo koro adimbwa maber kabisa. Donge walore gi kanyo e chenro ni mar tedo gi chiemo nyaka odiechieng' machielo, gweng' machielo iluonga ni Jai Lieta.
Erokamano, oritwi.